Are you ready for workshop 23? This time, we are going to improve our essays with simple examples. Today, we are going to practice using transitions to start examples. Examples are just a way to explain ideas using real life. First, let's look at a simple example. A simple example is about 1 to 2 sentences long. All it does is it gives a specific detail that relates to your main topic. Here are some examples of simple examples. I love to travel. Traveling is a great way to learn about the world. Now here's my example. For example, you can discover the new cultures, languages, and foods. Now let's look at another one. Creative writing is not only fun, it's also healthy for your brain. You can create new characters and imagine new worlds. Now let's look at an example of this. For example, you can write about another planet in the galaxy or imagine a world full of tiny people who live inside flowers. Notice that these examples follow the same easy rules. Number 1, explain your main idea in 2 to 3 sentences before giving your example. Number 2, your example should be more specific than the main idea. Number 3, your example should have descriptions or facts that support your main idea. Here are some bad examples of what an example is not. I love to travel. Traveling is a great way to learn about the world. For example, traveling can be very fun, but it can make you tired. This is not specific. It doesn't tell me why you can learn about the world when you travel. Let's look at another one. Creative writing isn't only fun, it's also healthy for your brain. You can create new characters and imagine new worlds. For example, you can imagine lots of things. This is just repeating what we already said, and it's not specific. What can you imagine? We don't know. Let's look at one more. Summer is the best time to play at the beach. You can do many activities there. For example, you can play there. We know we can play at the beach, but what can we play? We want to be more specific with our examples. Can you see why these examples are not the best? They're either not specific enough, lack detail, or don't support the idea in the sentences before. Now, let's take a look at some basic transitions you can use before your examples. You should memorize these and try to use different ones for each paragraph. The one you probably already know is for example. But if you use that same transition every time, it might feel a bit boring. Try using some new ones if you haven't already, like for instance, in this case of imagine or to illustrate. Now that we know how to add examples, what examples are, and transitions to use when we add them, let's practice. Practice 1. Read the questions below. Use the word box to write an explanation with a simple example that supports the main idea. Number 1, your word box is terrible, for instance, and prince. The explanation is, dragons would be blank pets because they are dangerous. Dragons can breathe fire, which could destroy your house. They also eat people. Blank, in the movie Sleeping Beauty, a blank almost gets eaten by a dragon. This is what the explanation should say. Dragons would be terrible pets because they are dangerous. Dragons can breathe fire, which could destroy your house. They also eat people. For instance, in the movie Sleeping Beauty, a prince almost gets eaten by a dragon. Number 2, your word box is flavor, imagine, and in this case. The explanation is, vanilla is the best ice cream blank because it goes well with other flavors. Blank having mint choco and orange ice cream mixed together. That would be so gross. Blank, you can see the vanilla is the best because vanilla and orange ice cream or mint choco together would probably taste pretty good. The explanation should say this. Vanilla is the best ice cream flavor because it goes well with other flavors. Imagine having mint choco and orange ice cream mixed together. That would be so gross. In this case, you can see that vanilla is the best because vanilla and orange ice cream or mint choco together would probably taste pretty good. Practice 2. Write 3 sentences for a body paragraph using the given explanation points, transitions, and simple example. Question 1 is, would you like to own a pet pig? Explanation point 1 is, pigs are smart and can be trained to do tricks. They can be pets just like dogs. Explanation point 2 is, dogs can be trained and so can pigs. The transition is to illustrate, and the example is, a pig can be trained to go to the bathroom outside. Your paragraph should sound like this. Pigs are smart and can be trained to do tricks. They can be pets just like dogs. Dogs can be trained and so can pigs. To illustrate, a pig can be trained to go to the bathroom outside. Question 2. What is the best food to eat for breakfast? Explanation point 1 is, toast is a fast and simple food to eat for breakfast. This makes it great for busy mornings. Your addition transition is moreover, and your second explanation point is, you can change the flavor of toast to keep it fun. Your example transition is, in this case. Example, you can have butter, jam, or peanut butter on top. When you put it all together, your paragraph should sound like this. Toast is a fast and simple food to eat for breakfast. This makes it great for busy mornings. Moreover, you can change the flavor of toast to keep it fun. In this case, you can have butter, jam, or peanut butter on top. Wonderful job practicing using examples in your body paragraphs. Now, let's add them to the body paragraphs we have already written. Are you ready to improve your essay? Let's start with body paragraph 1. This time, we are going to rewrite it and add an example before we put our conclusion sentence on. Go ahead and try. Now let's improve our first body paragraph. Rewrite the first body paragraph, your topic sentence, explanation, and conclusion sentence that you wrote in part 1 of this book at the end of workshop 15. However, add an example transition and a simple example before your conclusion. The essay question is, do you think winter or summer is better? Here's an example using the first example of body paragraph 1 from part 1. Winter is the greatest since all the bugs are gone. There are no bugs in the winter because it is too cold for them to survive. Cold weather makes things freeze, including bugs. If the bugs freeze in the winter, they will die, so there are no bugs in the winter. For instance, mosquitoes are everywhere in the summer, but you don't have to worry about itchy biters in the winter. Winter is the best because all the insects disappear. Now it's your turn. Write your topic sentence and explanation. Then, use an example transition and a simple example before your conclusion. All right, it's time to check our work again. Use the checklist. Ask yourself, did I use an indentation to start my paragraph? Is the first sentence a topic sentence that matches the first reason in my thesis? Is the explanation 3 to 4 sentences long? Is there an example transition? Is there a specific and helpful example? Does the conclusion sentence mean something similar to the topic sentence? Did you check them all? Perfect work. Now that you've done body paragraph 1, are you ready to add an example to body paragraph 2? I think you can do it. Good luck. Let's move on to improve our second body paragraph. Make sure to write the topic sentence, explanation, and conclusion from the second body paragraph that you wrote in part 1 of this book. Try to add a different example transition this time. The essay question is still, do you think winter or summer is better? Here's an example using a transition and an example. I love winter the most because I can go snowboarding. To go snowboarding, you need to have snow, and there is only snow in the winter. If there is no snow, there is nothing to slide down on a snowboard. Snowboarding is a fun sport, but it can only be done in the winter. Imagine trying to snowboard down a dirt hill. This wouldn't work very well, and you might get hurt. I can go snowboarding in the winter, so I love it the most. Are you ready to try?
Look at your second body paragraph from part 1 and rewrite it here. This time, add a transition and an example.
Are you ready to check your next paragraph? Let's go. Ask yourself, did I use an indentation to start my paragraph? Is the first sentence a topic sentence that matches the second reason in my essay? Is the explanation 3 to 4 sentences long? Is there an example transition? Is there a specific and helpful example? Does the conclusion sentence mean something similar to the topic sentence? Once you checked all of these and you did it correctly, it's time to add an example to body paragraph 3. Go ahead and try.
Finally, we can improve our third body paragraph. You'll write your topic sentence, explanation, and conclusion sentence from the essay you wrote in part 1 of this book. Try to add a different example transition this time. The essay question is still, do you think winter or summer is better? Here's an example of a third body paragraph using an example transition and an example. Christmas is my favorite holiday, so winter is the best. Christmas is amazing because you get presents from Santa. Santa comes to your house at night with a sleigh and leaves gifts under your tree. Christmas is December 25th, which is always in the winter. In the case of other holidays like Easter, the date can change every year, but Christmas Day never changes and is always right at the peak of winter. Winter is the greatest because I love Christmas. Now look back at your third body paragraph. Write the topic sentence and explanation, but add an example transition and an example, then your conclusion. Good luck!
It's time to check our last body paragraph. Are you ready? Ask yourself, did I use an indentation to start my paragraph? Is the first sentence a topic sentence that matches the third reason in my thesis? Is the explanation 3 to 4 sentences long? Is there an example transition? Is there a specific and helpful example? Does the conclusion sentence mean something similar to the topic sentence? Did you do them all correctly? Great job! You are doing so great improving your essays in many ways. Now you've improved your essay by adding an example to your body paragraphs. Let's keep going and I'll see you in the next lesson.